Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make these baby soul. This will fit in a size 0 to 3 months, and the length is 3.5. Most of the baby souls, they measure 3 inches, but I made mine 3.5. That way it has a little bit more space for baby's feet to grow. So this is the materials that you will need. You will need a 4-ply medium yarn, any kind of yarn. This is acrylic, and needle and scissor, and I am using a 4mm hook. This was by Susan Bates. Okay. To begin, make your slip knot. Okay. And then we insert our hook and make your 9 chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then next is, let me just zoom it in a little bit so you can see. Next is, we're going to do a single crochet in our second chain from our hook. This was the first chain, and then the second. Then continue making single crochet except on the last stitch right here, because we will be making an increase there. Okay, so we'll have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So go ahead and make your 6 single crochet across. There. Next is we make 4 half double crochet this last stitch here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, as you can see, we are going around this opposite side. That means we'll be working on the other side without, we're not turning this project. So I don't know if you can see that, but this is the last stitch, and then we're moving on to the next. We have to work on the side part, or the back part, this. So go work on 1 single crochet. Oops. Then go ahead and continue making 1 single crochet in each of these stitches here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to work on. So here on our last stitch, let me just see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So we have 6 single crochet here. So we have a total of 6 single crochet, and then here on our last stitch we have to make 3 single crochet in that one space, in that same space. So 1, 2, 3, and then make your slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made. So that is our round 1. Moving on to our second round, we need to chain 1, then we need to make our first single crochet in the same space where we slip stitch. There. And then continue making 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next, here we have to make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches here. 1 half double crochet, and then onto the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Then we are moving on to the 4 half double crochet here that we made. We will be making increases on this part, so make 2 double crochet on this next stitch on top of this half double crochet. 1 and 2. There. The next is still have 1, 2, 3 half double crochet. We have to make 2 double crochet on each of these, so you just keep repeating the pattern. 2 half double crochet in each stitch, so you have to repeat it 3 times. I mean 4 times in total. So just bear with me, guys, because I'm kind of new to this tutorial thing, and you know, my language is not really English. I am from Philippines, so just bear with me, guys. If you have questions, you can always comment down below. And next, moving on, we have 4 sets of half or increase or double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next is we are yarning over because we'll be working on the same side, just like the same. You have 2. You'll be making 1 half double crochet on this next 2 stitch. 1 half double crochet, yarn over, then 1 half double crochet the next stitch. Next is single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitch right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and make your single crochet. And then here on our increase here, we need to add two single crochet in each of these stitch here. Get one, add one more, the same space, two, that's our first increase, and then next, one, same, two, the second increase there, then last, third, one, and two. Okay, and then next is we connect it, slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made, and that is our second round. Now on our third round, we have to chain one. Then next is yarn over. This time we will be doing half double crochet around until we reach the end. Make your first half double crochet in the same space where we made our slip stitch. One. Continue making half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 here. So you have to make 7 more half double crochet. So go ahead and make your half double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. As you can see, here we are in the increase part. After that, we have to do another increase. We have to increase all this part here. So yarn over and make 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and the next is 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. So it will be like a repeat pattern. You'll need to have a set of 4 increase. So just keep doing it. So here on our third set, 1, and then increase next. 1, 2. Then this is going to be our last set of increase. 1 half double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet here. So you should have 4 increases. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then yarn over, continue making half double crochet in the next stitches. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 half double crochet to make. Okay, now we are here in our increasing part. So you add 1 more. This will be our 7th half double crochet. Then make an increase in the next stitch add 2, the next 1 half double crochet, and then increase in the next stitch, then yarn over, and again just repeat the pattern, 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. Then reconnect to the first stitch that we made. There. So that's all. We're done. And this is our baby sole that fits 0 to 3 months. You can, let's measure. Yes. And then we cut our ends. I'll show you how I sew the ends too. So you get your needle, then I insert my, I wish you could see that, there, then I turn it over and I just slip through this back part. And what I like to do is go back and then slip again twice, at least twice, just to make it secure. Also this one right here, the starting part, I just slip it once. There. There you have it, our baby sole.